Hello, what's up guys? My name is Sujit Thakur. Now in this video I will show you how to download code blocks with C++ and C compiler. And in this video I will solve the problem of compiler issue in code block. So let's start. Open your browser. You can use any other browser. Just copy this link. Don't worry about that. I will give you a link in description. Just copy it. Just paste the link in your URL address bar. Just deny it. You will get this interface. You have to wait for 5 seconds. Okay, now you scroll down. You will get a link, a get link. Just click on it. Close the pop-up. Now you will be redirected to the download page. Now the download starts. I would like to cancel it because I have downloaded it already. This you have to download it and set up. You will get this code book. Now I am telling you, in this code you have already installed a compiler C and C++. So you don't have to worry about that. Just install it and use it. It will take time at first. Now it's open and it's working finally. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share to your friends, your family and your loving ones. Thank you.